Hi Beardy, after watching it for a couple of weeks, one over, can you give us the top 5 some bottled waters so we can find in the supermarkets? Yeah, brilliant question, mate. Right, so basically what we have to remember when it comes to supermarket water is just forget the branding. The branding doesn't matter, and what you're looking for, the words natural, mineral or spring. So really what happens in the supermarkets is this. If you're lucky, there'll be a glass bottle of Harrogate for about £1.25. Harrogate spring water, okay? Elm spring water. Because you use the word spring on the front label, you are a regulated, controlled, top of the range, beautiful water. So Elm Spring will be a fraction of the cost of Harrogate. Now, I know one's glass, one's plastic, but imagine if they were in the same container. Which one would you buy? You would buy the one that you prefer. And if you couldn't decide which one you preferred, you might as well buy the cheaper one. But from a category point of view, both premium category waters, natural, mineral, spring. A few more examples. You'll see this in the supermarket. Buxton, obviously that's going to be dearer. Then again, we have another, this one they call Asda sparkling water, but it's Elmhurst Spring. So when you start realising that, you know, one brand per source doesn't quite matter, but if we ignore the one brand per source, as long as it's naturally occurring water, and on here you've got the source address, you've got an analysis of the water, so whether this water has been white labelled or not, for me it doesn't really matter. It's beautiful natural water. Now, a few to look out for. So remember I said, natural, mineral or spring water. Hubbard's food store sparkling water. No. It's just a no. Now what's even more annoying, you look at the ingredients, and on the ingredients it says spring water. You're like, well, okay, so why wouldn't they call it spring water on the front, but they'll give you the ingredient as spring water? The reason, more than likely, but I'm surmising here, I imagine the reason is that they don't bottle it at the source. So because they'll be tankering this water away and it will be bottled somewhere else, legally they cannot call it a spring water on the front label. But the ingredient is spring water. Now interestingly, the source B1 would indicate that this is a natural water. Again, so B1 plus the ingredient being spring water indicates that that would be a spring water. But because it doesn't say natural mineral spring on the front, I wouldn't buy it. I just wouldn't buy it because it's dodgy. Highland spring water on the front label. Crag spring water. So forget the brand doesn't matter. We're looking for is the category, and that's the only thing that matters. The category of water, the premium category of water, natural mineral spring water. Oh, by the way, sorry, I should have said this at the very beginning. The best place to buy naturally occurring water in the United Kingdom at the moment is in your Eastern European or Polish delicatessen supermarket type shop. These people in Eastern Europe are brought up with an absolute understanding of the world of natural water, unlike us in the English speaking world where we've been dumbed down just to go shopping. Just go shopping and shush. That's what we're trained to do. But in Eastern Europe, they're actually brought up with an understanding, an awareness, appreciation of naturally occurring water. So if you're looking for the best selection of natural water in the UK today, in my opinion, Polish, Eastern European shops, they got the best. By the way, some of the waters you'll find in your Polish, Eastern European shops, also your Turkish delis, don't forget Turkish delis, Romanian, some of the water coming out of Romania as well, Romanian Borsig, that's just a spectacular water. Mośnianka, from it's Polish water, you get that in your Eastern European shops again. If you ever see Boziomy, ow, that was my shin. You see Boziomy, you've got to buy it. You'll see Boziomy again, you might find it in Eastern European Polish shops, Boziomy 4000 TDS. So please, remember, the brand is irrelevant, the category, the source is critical, but the branding is absolutely irrelevant, and I'm the owner of a brand telling you that. So for me that means it's pretty powerful. So that's it, that's where we are. That's a brilliant question again. Honestly, it just gets better and better around here. Thank you very much.